Hey guys, what's up? It's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures, and as you can see, it's dark out. And my friend Courtney has been saying pick up this KitKat Chunky New York Cheesecake bar. If you can see that, there you go, KitKat Chunky. She said it's worth doing a review over, so who am I to argue? Let's crack it open and see what it's like. Okay. That's really good. Yeah. It's small. Wow, that really tastes like cheesecake. You get the wafers, you know, like the regular KitKat flavor. But even after, like, wow, after I finish eating it, like, I swallowed and everything, I can still taste the cheesecake. That is really good. You know what? Every so often, they say, you know, we're going to make this, and you try it, and it's such a disappointment because, you know, you only get a little flavor or whatever. This is actually really good. I would buy this again. Thank Courtney. Awesome. So, guys, like and subscribe. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Take care.